Hello guys, my name is John Mungai and today we are going to be talking about money market funds. If you are not aware, then be sure to stick around until the end and I will inform and educate you.
As you get ready to feed on these sumptuous investment tips, thanks once again for visiting this channel, Quenching Your Thirst with Willis Nyakundi. If you are new here, remember to hit that subscribe button to get notifications of future videos. Thanks.
Now, let's begin from the top. What is a money market fund? Now, a money market fund is a kind of mutual fund that invests in short-term, high-quality assets or investments. These investments range from treasury bills, treasury bonds, commercial papers, and certificates of deposits. And sometimes they can even invest in stocks of big companies that are going to give them high interest. The goal of a money market fund is for the investors to have a safe place to store their money, which will be earning moderate income or moderate interest, instead of putting it somewhere where it is going to be useless. Now, how do you open an MMF? Number one, you look for a provider. Who is a provider? A provider of that fund can be a bank, can be an investment firm, can be an investment agency, and so on and so forth. So if you are interested in opening a money market account, number one, go and ask your bank, if you have a bank account where you save your money. Go and remove all that money. Okay, don't remove all your money, but go and inquire in that bank whether they have a money market fund, which most banks do actually have a money market fund. And after that, you fill out a form. After you look for a provider, fill out a form where they're going to get your details and so on and so forth. After filling in that form, number three, the third thing you're going to do is you start funding, or you put the initial or the beginner's fund. Majority of money market funds offer, the average is 5,000 Kenya shillings. The average amount of money you can begin with is around 5,000 Kenya shillings. But because they understand that investors vary, there's funds or money market funds that you can begin with as low as 100 Kenyan shillings. This is very nice for you out there who wants to begin, who don't have a lot of money. It's a good investment for you. So you find a provider that offers at the range you are comfortable with and start investing. And last but not least, you start funding your investment. So every month you input or you put an amount of money. And there are people who are able to do it weekly, others daily even, if you're serious about this investment thing. Now that we know how to open an MMF, let's go and look at how these companies make that money. As I said, they invest in short-term, high quality investments from treasury bills, treasury bonds, commercial papers, and certificates of deposits. And sometimes they can even invest in stocks of big companies that are going to give them high interest. All right, now let's go into the advantages and disadvantages of a money market account. Let's begin with the disadvantages and then finish with the advantages. One, I would say, disadvantage is that when you're looking for a lot of money, when you want to make more profit, I would advise you to look for another mode of investment. Because money market funds, as I said, are low risk investments. Low risk investment, meaning they don't have more money to earn. They don't have a lot of interest and just a moderate interest. So if you as an investor are looking to earn more money, then I would recommend you go and invest in bonds or stocks, which are high interest yielding investments. But if you want a safe, stable, liquid investment, then money market fund is your go-to investment. Now that, I think, might be one of the only disadvantages that I can present right now. Let's go to the advantages. Number one, liquidity. What do I mean by liquidity? I mean easy and quick access to your money. Well, a majority of investments once you put your money or you fund those investments, you might not be able to get your money as quick as you might want. Let's say an emergency comes, you might not be able to get your money. But here comes the benefit of investing in a money market account. You can access your money. Majority of the money market funds that are provided now in Kenya offer or will be able to put or give you back your money within 2 to 4 working days. I repeat, within 2 to 4 working days, you'll be able to get your money back. That's how easy and quick it is with a money market account. Another thing about a money market account is it's stable. When you compare it with stocks, when you compare it with high risk investments, your money is going to be safe. You won't lose your money. It's not like when a company or when you invest in a company and the company loses value, the value of your stocks goes down. No. When it comes to a money market account, the money you put inside there will not be touched. All right? The only thing that will be able to fluctuate up and down is the interest earned, is the interest that money will be able to earn. Now, as of now, majority of investment or money market fund providers can be able to give you an average of 12% per annum. 12% per annum interest on that money you invest. That's how majority are giving or are providing, which I believe is a very good return, actually. If you're just beginning to invest, it's a good return. And then you can build your way up, build your portfolio up as you continue to go and look for more high yielding or riskier investments. If you're looking for a stable short-term investment which can be able to give your money back as quick as you would want, then I would advise you to invest in money market funds. As I've said, number one, look for a money market fund provider of your choice. There are a lot, of course, so look for the one that will give you the best interest, of course the highest one. And once you look for that, you go and start fill that form, application form, start funding and start your investment journey. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Perfect discourse there from our financial advisor, John Mungai. We will appreciate your comment and share of this video to reach more people. On behalf of our director, Willis Nyakundi, invest wisely and see you in the next video. Cheers.